Hi, this is Janet, and you're at Janet's DIY Life. Have a quick garden update for you, and how to care for a tomato plant, how to remove the suckers, and how to stake the tomato plants. Just a quick update, show you all what's going on, and a little bit more about caring for your tomato plants. Very important. Follow all of my videos for more tips and hints and tricks on how to raise a beautiful garden. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Hello, it's me, no makeup at all. I'm out in the garden and I was doing a few things, working on getting the tomatoes staked up, picked a few beans, but mainly it's time to get because the tomatoes have grown up pretty good, so I wanted to show you all a little bit of that. One of the things, and let me flip the camera around here so that you can see, get my hand off of it. How do you flip this thing around? Right there. Okay, so what I am doing is taking a pair of old pants. They were actually a pair of my grandfather's, and I'm just ripping it into strips. I'll start by making a little cut, and these scissors actually are pretty crappy scissors, but it's all I got out here with me. I mean, I've got more in the house, so just don't go in there and get them, because I'm already out here working, and it is what it is. And you guys are in the grass, but I had to get a little cut in there. Get off of me, ants are eating me up. Okay. And then, you know what? Hey, how you doing? Oh my God. We're just gonna rip them into strips. And I don't know what the heck just happened here. Okay. And so, why am I doing this? Well, it's kind of fun, but anyway, because I want to take these. Let me find a longer strip. Let me find a couple longer ones. Now look, see how much they're growing? Now you can also get these little clips like this. These clips right here. You can get those and put those on there. I use those too, like when they're first starting out. You know, when I'm first starting to stake them. Look how, oh guys, look what I see. Look what I see. Oh my God, isn't that exciting? It is for me. There's actually tomatoes. Oh my God. Yes, I get overexcited, but it's, I don't know. I still think it's amazing to be able to do this. And I see another tomato plant that I need to stake, and it's pretty big. Yeah, it's gonna have to have a stake. I'm about running out of stakes, y'all. Let me show you right here. So I put a stake in between two what will be big tomatoes, and then I take that cloth, and because it's gentle on the vine, it's not gonna hurt it. It allows it room to grow and breathe. So, and then I tie it to that stake. I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this one over here. That's why I need a longer piece. So I'll do that. Now these that are in cages, they're okay. Like, it's probably too late to try and get this through. I hate to do this because it's going to break. I hate that. Please don't break. Oh, it broke. But I'm trying to catch them early and bringing them through here, because they will grow right out here and go right to the ground. And you don't want them on the ground. That the tomatoes go bad. They get spots on them. So I try and keep them up off of the ground. Now, here's something else. This plant right here, it has a bloom on it. And it's still too little. So what's going to happen is that this plant is going to stop putting its energy into growing strong roots, growing more taller and things like that. It'll start taking all of that and putting it, I'm cutting off the suckers. It's going to put it into making tomatoes. So what I'm going to do, and I know people are going to be like, no, don't. Yeah, I break that off because it needs to concentrate on getting bigger, getting a lot bigger. It doesn't need to be concentrating on growing tomatoes yet. It's not ready. And I see a bunch of them that are kind of like that. And I will go around and pull the blooms off of them because it's too early for them to be growing. But these over here, this plant, it's big and it's fun. It's gonna have one, oh, it's gonna be loaded. It is absolutely gonna be loaded with them. But it's got good strong roots. I've broke off the suckers off of that one I don't know how many times. So yeah, I see, the other ones that are in cages. And anyway, I'm getting them staked today, and I just wanted to share that with you all. Oh, I'll show you the beans that I did get today. I got peas too. Those are already in the house. But let me show you the green beans that I got. He thinks I'm going in. That's enough for me to have for dinner. I didn't want to, there was some smaller ones and I didn't want to get them. I was just letting them grow. But those were big enough, long enough, and beans grow fast. So tomorrow there'll be more. But I am going to have those for dinner tonight. So I just wanted to put a video clip in, and there'll be more soon.
Thank you guys for joining me today. If you have any questions concerning how to grow a garden or the care of tomatoes, please leave it in the comments, or you can email me at janetsdiylife@gmail.com. The link is in the description. Thank you guys.